everyone. Now, I will speak about the dog's love language. A dog's love language. Do you know that your dog, needs love language? Yes, they need love language. Like humans, dogs have love language. These are word of affirmation, physical touch, gift receiving, quality time, and act of service. Some dogs receive love in one love language, but it is better to do all the five language to your dog. The first one is the word of affirmation. As we all know, if you say good boy to your dog, the dog gives you a big smile and your heart starts to melt. If this is your dog's love language, praise them and talk to them lovingly more often. The second one is the physical touch. For dogs with this love language, cuddling and grooming can make them feel all warm and fuzzy. Most commonly, dogs with physical touch, as their love language, might rub their head on you. The third love language is the gift receiving. If your dog jump for joy when they get a new toy, gift receiving is probably one of their love language. Communicate your love for them with tricks or bows. You don't have to buy anything elaborate. Just a small toy, show them your care. The fourth one is the quality time. A dog with this love language will often grab their leash and ask for the walk. Quality time is much different than just being around your pet. The quickest and easiest way to have quality time with your dog is to do a training session. And lastly, the act of service. If your dog has act of service or their love language, they will try to help you out by picking up their toys, playing with you, and act as your protector. I have experience taking care of dogs, and while I'm taking care of them, I feel that someone loves me because I do the same thing to them. Yan po yung naging alaga ko, si Brian at si Ben. If you love the dog loves you too. The term, a dog is a man's best friend, is very true based on my experience. But why? Based on the modern science, dogs are incredible animals with a high level of mental function. While dogs don't feel emotion like guilt, pride, or shame, they feel excitement, anger, distress, joy, and most importantly, love like humans. That is why dogs understand some humans' feelings. Once we understand how our dogs show us their love, we can figure out the most meaningful way to show love back to them. Here are many ways you can show love to your dog. Have a daily playtime, take time to cuddle, teach them new tricks, have warm and hearty conversation. And now, how can you tell if your dog loves you? Your dog is happy to see you. Your dog gives a present. Your dog likes to sleep with you. Your dog looks at you with loving eyes. Your dog does not care about your appearance. And lastly, your dog follows you everywhere. No the trying that counts. So snuggle up, give lots of pets, talk to them, and go for a walk. You will appreciate, dogs will appreciate your effort, and remember, it doesn't have to Valentine's Day to speak your proper stuff